Communication skills are really so important thing in every aspect of life, like relationship, business, and anything, negotiation, manipulation. In every aspect of life, communication is play a vital role in that particular area. So you have to learn how to communicate effectively. You must know how to say. Yes, anybody can say anything, but what should be said by someone, that's a really so important thing. And if you are no, then I have to say this, okay? But you say, hello guys, today I'm here to talk about a very important thing. Even you are not maintaining eye contact, okay? So remember, you have to make eye contact with your audience, with anybody, even with yourself. Make eye contact. Don't like say like this. Hello, like audience is here, but I'm talking. Hello, today I'm talking. How ridiculous is this? Don't do such type of things. If you really want to communicate, first understand the meaning of communication is simple to convey your message to your audience. As simple as that. And if you are really willing to do that, you can do it. It is all upon you. If you really want to convey your message or no. Okay? So try to do that. Just convey your message in a simplest way, easy way. Don't use complicated words like you have to be a blunt. Nobody knows what is blunt. Nobody knows. You have to be acrimonious, bro. And I am acrimonious. That's a fucking crazy. Nobody will understand what are you saying, bro. So in the end, you have to convey your message what you really want to say. Like you want to talk about apple and you're saying it's very so tasty. It is this and that. Just convey your message as simple as that. Got it? And then second phase is comes. You have to practice. You just listen. And, oh bro, yeah, you are saying right. I have to improve my communication skills. Yeah. Then it is totally pointless. You need to understand. Okay, I listen. So I have to learn and practice. Practice is really so important. Without practice, pointless. Don't do anything then. Don't listen, just enjoy your life. If you don't want to do anything, that's my point. If you're really willing to do that or you are really willing to learn something, then start it. What are you waiting for? Start by now. Don't think about people. People are totally pointless. Don't think about them. Just focus on yourself and you will be the main character of your life. Try now. Just go to your mirror and try to speak. Just try. Give a try. Okay? And when you give a try, you understand, oh, I'm lacking in this. I cannot speak this language perfectly. I have to do this and that. Remember, don't feel upset. Because now it is starting point. And if you see failures, that means it is not a failure. That means you are trying and you didn't something do right and now you are doing something right. And that's my whole point, bro. Don't just stop by, oh, I get failure, that's why I have not do this. What the fuck is this? Got it? So just go and practice. And also remember, eye contact is really important. Understood? Got it? And then you have to speak with clarity. You have to be clear. What you really want to say? Like I want to say mango, but it sounds like apple. Then it is really so difficult to understand. Got it? So try to be clear. Like you can practice. Take a pen, put in your mouth, and try to speak like this. Hello everyone. Today is my first day to speak on a stage. Got it? It will clear your speech. Now you will be clear. Got it? Got it? Everything is has done. And remember, practice is really important. Without practice you cannot do. And now body language. Language play crucial role. Like, see, I will not say anything, just say. Got it? Like, I want to go to washroom. Ma'am, may I go to washroom? See, the power of body language without any saying any words. Got it? Like, I'm doing this. uh, My facial expressions say everything. So, facial expressions are also so important thing. So don't just use your body language. Also remember, eye contact and facial expressions are also essential for your communication skills. Got it?